Are electric trucks ready for heavy loads? Yes, and we can prove it. In a first independent road test, the Volvo FH Electric maintained an average speed of 80 km per hour at 40 tons total weight, with 0 tailpipe emissions. The test was performed on the renowned Green Truck route in Germany. Energy consumption was 1.1 kilowatt-hours per kilometre, which gave the truck a total range of 345 kilometres. In addition, the Volvo FH Electric consumed 50% less energy than a corresponding Volvo FH diesel truck, making it a very powerful tool for reducing CO2 emissions.